I'm not jacking off, nigga.
What the hell is this guy doing, man? Yo, Gio, you good, bro? Oh, shit. I have a special announcement to make. My boy Ivan's about to be on Catfish next season. There's this mystery person that he needs to find out if she's a guy or a girl.
Maybe she's a trans. Maybe she's a trans. I don't know.
It says the good life is just in front of you. Yeah. So we're back at Home Deeps.
Home Deeps?
Home Deeps. Picking up some stuff for the 350z right now. Yeah, Home Depot, give your boys like a little 20% off discount code every time we roll through. We're here like at least 3-4 times a week. Come on, bruh. Come on, Home Depot. As soon as we get back to the shop, we are gonna start with the Rocket Bunny kit process.
Your
Are
boys
you ready,
about to go in.
Start sanding that bitch down. Start prepping it to bolt it on the 350z. Make sure you guys stop what you're doing right now and hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that little doorbell ringing symbol thing, whatever, and subscribe to our channel. I want to go through everything that I bought just briefly. So for all of you that are watching this and are planning on wide-bodying your 350, I'm going to show you everything that I bought in order to do that. So this is everything we got. This is probably the most important thing here, is an angle grinder. We have the drill bits for it. We have the handy dandy yellow crayon that you use to actually mark where you're going to cut, where you're going to grind, basically pretty much everything. We have, this is really good for safety reasons, this mask and safety goggles. We have our sanding blocks. We actually got 4 of them because there's gonna be a few of us working on it. Our all-purpose primer. We have a deep scratch primer. Can't forget the tape. This is probably gonna be the last time I'm gonna see my 350z the way it was when I first bought it. We're about to demolish the fuck out of it. Ooh, shit, there it is. First scratch of the day. 20 seconds in, we already scratched my fucking fender.
Man, you can scrub your shit with this. Look at this nigga right here. Look at that. Bam! Coming soon. We're about to open up a fucking car wash in this motherfucker, bro.
Alright everyone, cavity search. Bend over, boy. Right now we're marking down the fenders where we're actually gonna cut and just trying to figure out, you know, the best fitment for the fender flares.
It ain't flush at all.
It's not really having the flush look that we wanted it to.
Oh, look at that spider, bro.
Oh, fuck! I'm fucking scared of spiders, dude.
Are you?
Yeah. I feel like my nuts are about to get chopped off right now. My heart's beating. Oh, bro, I can't watch this. Right now, what Gio is doing, he's filling in the quarter panel. And what that basically does is it fills in the pinholes on the fiberglass. After that, we're actually gonna let it sit there for about 30 minutes just to dry. Then smooth out the edges. And then do another coat of primer.
I can't see. see it's more wavy. Like it looks more smoother right now, but we have to let it dry. That's the after, and once it's primered up and everything.
Let them sit out here in the sun for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna start sanding it down.
Nah, what happened?
I just unpackaged it.
That's like some body shop shit.
Yeah, bro.
Say hello to my little friend.
Fresh new haircut.
Nice
Yeah.
Look at that fade, look at that lineup.
That's a nice lineup right there.
Damn.
Look, this is what happens when you sand it down. Look.
Get baby bottom smooth.
Look at this.
Ooh,
Where it at?
Glass? Is this fiberglass or is glass, bro?
That's a baby's butt.
That's what it is. Yep.
I'm about to join the whole sanding process. Yo, what the fuck is this guy doing?
I'm not jacking off, nigga.
What the hell is this guy doing, man? Yo, Gio, you good, bro? Oh, shit. So RIP to the fender, bro.
Swift Daddy, touch that shit, baby. You touch that real quick. Damn. Smooth as smooth. Shit, damn.
The butt cheeks, bro.
My butt cheeks is pretty smooth, bro. I don't know. I take care of my shit.
It's called wet sanding. Wet sanding for a
Take care of
reason
my
because
shit,
you
bro.
have to sand it while it's wet. That's how you get
Yeah,
that.
so you gotta put water in it first.
like dip.
Get your water, get your
Wet
hand.
that
There you go,
bitch,
there you
bro.
go.
Wet this bitch.
That nigga's been in like 15 fucking vlogs, bro. Oh my, that's fucking Martin, bro.
Signature.
I know, bro. That's his fucking signature. Damn, Frank, we bought the wrong cars, bro. All the hoes are in the 86s. Shout out to all the hoes with 86s.
You guys double teaming her, bro? That's what I mean. Take it easy on her.
Man, me and Frank, we going ham right now.
You guys are putting the Eiffel Tower on her, bro.
We taking this bitch, Eiffel Tower this bitch right now, bro. Look at this, Frank.
Parental advisory.
Bro, all the vlogs were very nice and subtle, bro, before I fucking came into this bitch, huh? He said, yeah, fuck you. My mom's gonna see this on the vlog, she's gonna fuck us up. Using her cooler, bro. Sorry, Mom.
Bitch on, it's ready.
He said it's ready.
It's ready.
Look at this shit got more waves in the Pacific Ocean, bro. What the fuck?
Flip the bitch.
No, nigga. Nigga, you ain't even touched it on that side right there. What happened, guys? What happened?
This nigga sanding with foam, bro.
The nigga's been sanding it down with the foam. That nigga got no sandpaper down here.
You guys are distracting me way too
Fuck
fast.
you, bro.
Let's finish this goddamn duckbill already.
He's been sanding down the same spot for 3 hours, bro.
With no sandpaper.
That was saying, hey, with no sandpaper. He was using the foam. Get the fuck out of here.
We pretty much finished about 4 pieces as far as sanding down goes and making all the edges smooth. And Ivan was able to cut the driver's side fender. Hopefully in the next vlog we'll be able to like test fit the fender flare on that, and with the actual like drilling process, cut the driver's side, the passenger side, I'm sorry, fender. Finish sanding down the rest of the pieces. I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner for our last vlog. I'm gonna display it right here. So make sure that you guys comment on this video if you want to win some free merch. We're gonna pick a winner on our next vlog. Until then guys, peace out.
Everything I drop flame.